Warning! This video contains spoilers and jump scares, not for children. Thank you.
This is a pleasant looking game.
Pleasant? No, it's not. It's really scary. Ah, damn it! I jumped. Fuck. Oh,
Did the note change?
Stop! Hey, look. Oh god, it's a tub. Are you getting scared, Liz?
You should take a bath.
No.
Maybe the ghost is trying to tell you something.
You first.
Telling you you're
Oh god,
stanky.
the
You
toilet.
need to take a bath. Oh.
The toilet's bleeding.
Diarrhea? She's like, go get you.
Oh god, head. I'm like back away from your head. Okay, I can't pick the doll anymore. And creepy ass music. Creepy ass music. Creepy ass music. Creepy ass music.
He's coming to get you.
Oh, shut up. Oh god. Let's forget about the light.
Are you sure screwing with the lights is a good idea?
Nope, apparently not. Apparently wasting power. I have to pay extra for the rent. Oh. Shit. Back away from the screen. Back away from the screen. Oh god!